Hello, Jeremy. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads again. I got your email, and so I'm going to remake this video for your actual flagship site. And so here I've typed in mybeautifulbody.com, and I've pulled up your site right here. I'm going to go through the 3 tactics that I shared in my last video, but I'm just going to cater them to this site. And so the first thing that I brought up is you want to have a lot of good content on your home page. It is recommended to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of original content on this page. And so as I'm scrolling through, I'm not seeing a lot of original content. So we go down here, you have a little bit up there, a little bit here, but these right here, the patient testimonials, those aren't actually counted as original content because you can find them on your Google Business Profile page, your Yelp page, wherever you pulled these from. And then, of course, down here, you can find these on your Google Business Profile pages as well. And so you want to set yourself up as an authority and knowledge center, particularly in the plastic surgeon space. A lot of people are just fishing for information. They want to know things like how much is this going to cost? What are the risks associated with the procedure that I want? What are the doctor qualifications, along with a few other things as well? And so you want to have that stuff right here on the first page so that people can go and find the information they need, and then they'll trust you as a reliable source, and that will get them to click a lot more and actually contact you for more information. And so I would suggest adding in some more content here. And also, of course, you want to fill that content with the right keywords that bring in the most volume and have a high buyer's intent. And so over here, I've pulled up Plastic Surgeons Houston. This keyword brings in almost 2,500 searches per month. So obviously, if you were to close just a few of those, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. Beneath where the search bar is where we will typically see Google Ads. There are none popping up for me at the moment, but Google Ads can be a great way to get your name out there, build brand recognition, promote a special event or offer that you have going on, or when you want to take advantage of a hot market as well. They're not going to be your best long-term ROI, but they are good to get some fast leads. And so beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. So the Google Map Pack can produce huge amounts of revenue. And in order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation being a listing on a local online directory, so Yelp or yellowpages.com, Yext. Those are all going to be examples of online directories that you want to be on. And there are hundreds, thousands of these online directories online. And so you want to get on at least a couple hundred of those in order to outrank these competitors right here. And be careful when you're entering your information into these online directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for Google to count it as a citation. And so then down here we have our organic search results. Now this is going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. And so right here we have Body by Ravi as our first result. Over here, I've typed them into SEMrush. Again, SEMrush is a great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It costs me upwards of $300 a month and gives me a lot of good information. And so right here, I can see that they have a little over 3,000 backlinks from 387 referring domains, and they are ranking for 6,547 keywords. And so to take a look at which keywords are bringing the most traffic, we can click right here. And so we can see Houston plastic surgeons is going to be the best keyword that is bringing in the most traffic, but not by much. It's only 4% of their traffic. They have plastic surgeon, which they've been able to rank number 10 for the whole country. That is a national keyword. And going through, you can see they're ranking well for Mommy Makeover Houston, Tummy Tuck Houston. So you can go through all of these, find which ones bring in the most volume, have the most buyer's intent, and see which ones you aren't ranking as well for, and try and focus more on these keywords. And so now to go back to their backlinks, a backlink being just a clickable text from one website to another. And so it's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And Google is basically one big popularity contest. You want to get the most relevant, high powered backlinks than all your competitors in order to rank. And so right here, we can see they have around 3,100 backlinks. But as you see right here, they have 66% of those backlinks being do follow backlinks. And so no follow backlinks are good, but in the end, the do follow backlinks are going to be what bring actual power to your site. So you're going to want to focus on these backlinks. Here, I'm just going to go and only look at the do follow backlinks. And so you can click on each one that you aren't on or not on already. And you can see if you can have your website added to these different pages. You can write blog posts, put out press releases. Sometimes it's as simple as a blog comment. But you want to go through and see how you can be added to the best ones with a high AS authority score. And so it goes from 1 to 100, but generally anything over a 40 is going to be really powerful. And so now I'm going to take a look at your site. And so right now you have 5,100 backlinks from 601 domains. So you actually have twice as many backlinks. But if we take a look at the backlinks, I can see that you only have around 3,000 backlinks. And so you still have a bit more do follow backlinks from that they have, but you really want to go through and assess the quality on these. So of course, you want to get ones with a high authority score, but you also want to make sure that they're relevant to what you're doing. So something Best Verizon Center blog isn't going to be very relevant to plastic surgery. So you want to go through and make sure that you don't have any spammy backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some can actually hurt your site more than help. So you just want to make sure that you don't have any spammy backlinks. And then you want to add in more high-powered relevant backlinks to build your backlink profile. And so now we can take a quick look at which keywords you are ranking for. And so as we can see, you are going for a lot of similar keywords that Body by Ravi is going for. Here we have Mommy Makeover Houston. You're ranking right below them. You are missing a few keywords I noticed on their page that are bringing in a lot of traffic. So you already are doing very well, but you want to make sure that you add in more of those high volume keywords such as Plastic Surgeons Houston. If we take a look, although you already have a strong backlink profile and you are ranking pretty well for a lot of good keywords, you're bringing in around 9,000 people organically to your site every single month. And if we take a look at Body by Ravi, they have 16,300 people finding them every single month. But I think that you could actually outrank them for the right keywords and start to bring in this amount of traffic if you, number one, focus on adding in more educational content onto your homepage and throughout your entire site, filling that content with the right keywords that bring in the most volume. Number two, you want more citations so you could get ranked on the map pack. I noticed if you have 3 different locations, so you do want to make sure that you add citations for all those different locations as well. And then number 3, you want to go through and assess your backlink profile. Make sure that you're only getting good quality, relevant, high-powered site backlinks. And then you want to go on and add more as well. Go through their best backlinks, get some from them, go through other competitors, and then you can find some more on your own as well. But I just wanted to give you a new analysis, and I'd love to get your feedback on it. So if you could just email me back or give me a call, I'd love to hear your thoughts. You can reach me at 714-975-5909. I'll be happy to answer any questions as well. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.